where n is the number of VPCs. Study Case 1. 3 VPCs, 3 peering connection tunnels. VPC peering suitable for small company. Study Case 2. 4 VPCs, 6 peering connection tunnels. Welcome back, gurus. Welcome to our series of 2 minutes of AWS Mastery, Episode 2. And for this episode, we will be mastering the complete step-by-step guide of AWS VPC Peering. So let's go. What is an AWS VPC Peering? VPC peering is a networking connection between two Amazon Virtual Private Clouds or VPCs that enables you to route traffic between them using private IP addresses. Peering connections can be established between VPCs in the same AWS account or with a VPC in another AWS account within the same or a different region. Full Mesh VPC Peering Tunnels. A full mesh VPC peering network ensures that every VPC can communicate with every other VPC. The formula to calculate the number of tunnels required is n times n-1 divided by 2, where n is the number of VPCs. Study Case 1. 3 VPCs, 3 peering connection tunnels. VPC peering suitable for small company. Study Case 2. 4 VPCs, 6 peering connection tunnels. VPC peering suitable for small company. Study Case 3. 5 VPCs, 10 peering connection tunnels. VPC peering suitable for small company. Study Case 4. 50 VPCs. Is it suitable for medium company? 1,225 tunnels. We reach the default VPC peering connection limits per VPC. Study Case 5. 125 VPCs. Is it suitable for medium company now? 7,750 tunnels. We reach the maximum adjustable VPC peering connection limits per VPC. Now, the question arises. Is it manageable to build a full mesh VPC peering connection where are more than 5 VPCs? There is a limit on the number of active VPC peering connections per VPC, by default, 50, adjustable up to 125. VPC peering configuration using AWS UI. Go to the VPC dashboard. This is the starting point to manage all your VPCs. On the left pane, select your VPCs. This will display all the VPCs in your account. View 2 VPCs, TheCloudsGuru and default VPC should be visible here. On the left pane, select Peering Connections, then press the Create Peering Connection button. Specify peering name. Choose a name that helps you identify this particular connection. Select Local VPC ID, in this case, select TheCloudsGuru VPC. Keep Radio button selected My Account, this is if you're peering within the same account. Keep Radio button selected this region, if the peering is within the same region. Select Accept a VPC ID, choose the default VPC in this scenario. Press Create Peering Connection button, the request will be sent. Pending acceptance, you will see that the peering connection is now pending acceptance. Go to the Action button, select Accept Request. Review details. You can see all details of who is the requester and who is the acceptor. Submit Accept Request button, confirmation message appears, your VPC peering connection has been established. Modify route tables. This involves modifying route tables on both VPCs. Select the route table a public, then go to the tab Routes and press Edit Route. Add route, specify the default VPC seeder block and the target peering connection ID. Save changes, confirm the added route. Update the route table in default VPC, add a route with the TheCloudsGuru VPC seeder block and target peering connection ID. Save changes. Confirm the added route for the TheCloudsGuru VPC and for default VPC. Connectivity check. Verify the connectivity between VPCs using private IP addresses. Ping test. Ping from an instance in the TheCloudsGuru VPC to the test default instance in default VPC. Copy the private IPv4 address of the test default EC2 instance. This will be used for the ping test. Connect to the TheCloudsGuru instance using Session Manager. Prepare for the ping test. Execute ping command. It confirms the connectivity. Success. VPC peering has been created properly. Ping response time is around 1 millisecond. This means instances are very close, maybe in the same AZ. Let's terminate Session Manager session. Use cases. Security and compliance. Isolate environments within the same cloud, yet enable selective communication. Data replication. Efficient replication between databases across VPCs. Disaster recovery. Ensure data integrity and accessibility during an unexpected failure. Cost. No charge if traffic does not leave the availability zone. Charges apply when traffic crosses airspace or leaves the region. Conclusion. VPC peering provides a powerful and flexible way to connect VPCs across regions and accounts for small companies. Understanding the underlying mechanics, like full mesh peering, and knowing how to properly configure this using the AWS UI ensures secure and efficient inter-VPC communication. So there you have it. Thank you so much, gurus. Stay tuned for more insights into AWS as we continue our series. Don't forget to like, subscribe and be sure to click the notification bell. See you next time, gurus.